Imagine the power's out, your flashlight's fading, and you need just a bit of juice. Let's make a simple emergency battery with stuff you might already have. This is a quick MacGyver-level trick for low-power needs, like lighting an LED, running a small radio, powering a tiny USB light. In a crisis, plugs don't work, and fancy gear isn't always around, but chemistry still shows up to work. We're going to turn a saltwater mix into electricity using two different metals. Step 1. Grab a few small non-metal containers. Bottle caps, jar lids, yogurt cups, anything non-metal container. Mix warm water with table salt until it's pretty salty. Lemon juice, vinegar. Step 2. Find two different metals. Copper. Copper wire, copper coin, shiny side. Zinc. Galvanized nail, zinc-plated screw. Step 3. Build one cell. Pour salty water into one container. Put copper on one side. Put zinc on the other, not touching. That's a tiny battery, about 0.8 to 1 volt. Step 4. Make 4 to 6 cells the same way. Connect copper of cell 1 to zinc of cell 2. Connect copper of cell 2 to zinc of cell 3. Repeat to stack cells. Overview shot. Free ends should be 1 zinc and 1 copper. You just stacked the voltage. Step 5. Test it. If you've got a multimeter, awesome. Aim for 3 to 5 volts. No meter? Try lighting a low-power LED with a small resistor, or power a tiny clip-on USB LED through a 3V, 5V USB boost module if you have one. Pro tips. If output drops, stir or refresh the salt water. Keep metals clean. Lightly sand them. Don't let copper and zinc touch directly. Reality check. This won't charge a phone well. It's for small, critical light or radio power, but that little glow can buy time, calm, and options. Wrap. Pack copper wire, a few galvanized nails, and some LEDs in your emergency kit. Copper wire, galvanized nails, LEDs. When the lights go out, you'll still have a plan and a spark.